Welcome back to another training, Convert 411. My name is Sean May, and like I just mentioned, this is convert411.com, and glad to see you back. So today I want to go over where I left off last time. So last time I talked about lead pages and how it was a great way to get started very quickly and easily, and it's a great way to also do A/B split testing as well. But there are a few cons. It is a monthly subscription service, so you would have to continually pay to use the service, and it's lacking in its flexibility. So I wanted to go into another program that I use, or another kind of theme and plugin, and it's actually a WordPress theme and plugin. It's called WP Profit Builder. So this gives you a lot of flexibility. So you can create opt-in pages very, very quickly, and you can also create full websites very quickly. So Convert 411 was actually created by WP Profit Builder. All the videos, all the pages, all the opt-in pages, all of that was actually created with WP Profit Builder. So today I want to go through and show you a little bit how I use it, how you get it set up. And then at the end, after all that training, I will show you if you want to sign up for WP Profit Builder. It's a one-time fee. So I do have an affiliate link, so another not so subtle affiliate link, but I always appreciate it if you're going to purchase it, if you purchase it through my link, and definitely I hope that you find this training valuable. All right, so let's hop right over to my computer again and get started. All right, now we're at my computer. So this is WPProfitBuilder.com, and I wanted to show you this site just to show you what it's capable of. This is really just a sales page, but they created this page with WP Profit Builder, so it has a ton of stuff. As you see, your pages don't have to be this intense. This is just a template that they start off with, and they add a lot of material to it. But WP Profit Builder, what it is it's a page editor and a template kind of creation. So they have a bunch of templates where you can start with a template and then you can edit it to your particular needs. So I just wanted to show you another quick thing in case you do want to purchase WP Profit Builder. They have a couple different packages, but you'll see the price are very similar to each other. For one site it's $47, for 10 sites it's $67, and then for an unlimited developer license where you can create all your own sites, plus if you were creating sites for other people, you could also use as a developer for client sites, and it's only $67.67. So that's what I went with. That just gives you all everything that you need right there. All right, enough about sales. So Convert 411, I created this homepage and website, all the pages on my website with WP Profit Builder. Does this look fantastic? No, but that's really because I'm not a very good graphic designer on that. So I just kind of put things in where I thought they needed. I have a bunch of colors, so you don't blame that on WP Profit Builder, blame that on me. But you can see that it's a very flexible plugin, and WP Profit Builder uses WordPress. So this is a WordPress theme and plugin. And what you do is you just install the theme and plugin onto your site, and then you're good to go. After that, you can create multiple pages, as many pages as you want, opt-in pages, a blog post, just your privacy pages, anything that's really necessary that you want to do. WP Profit Builder can do that. So I'm going to jump over into the dashboard, and I'll start out with the dashboard just to show you where I got here, but we're going to come right back to this page. So we're in the WordPress dashboard. Everything looks normal, and you see down here on the left it says WP Profit Builder. Let me zoom in just a little bit down there. So I'm going to click on Profit Builder, and then I'm going to go up here. So it gives you a bunch of options. So you can do color options, miscellaneous, kind of for your general site layout. But I want to go to Templates Management. With Templates Management, it gives you a bunch of different templates for different types of pages. So you can see down below that it starts with opt-in lead and squeeze pages, and there's quite a few of those, and a lot of different designs as well. So you can start with any one that you want, and you can use multiple ones as well. So you can see I've installed this one, which is an Alex Becker special. This one is a super simple squeeze page I've installed. but there are other ones that are really nice to use as well. You can create landing and sales pages. You can create membership portals, so the actual membership sites and the landing pages for those. You would need to add a secondary plugin, something like Wishlist or Optimize Press, for the membership site if you wanted it to be password protected or anything like that. So it's not fully built in with membership password protection. You also have, of course, homepage designs, and this is the one I use, site homepage aura. And then webinar pages, so if you have webinar signups, if you have product reviews, physical or informational, just miscellaneous marketing pages, you have coming soon pages, FAQs, testimonials, and you also have thank you pages in here as well. So you can create everything you need in this one place using all these templates and using WP Profit Builder. That's why I like it so much. It's a one-time fee, so it's not a monthly subscription service, and it has tons of flexibility. The only problem is you do have to learn how to use the software. So the thing that you do is you actually install whatever template you want just by clicking the install button. So I'll just show you. Let's say I wanted to use this one. So I just click install. We're good to go there. And now I actually want to create a new page. Let's just create a simple squeeze page, because that's why this whole training is how to create squeeze pages very simply. So I'm going to go over to pages and add new page. It'll just take a second for that to pull up. And then if you've ever used WordPress, all of this looks familiar. If not, it might look a little overwhelming, but it's pretty basic. You don't need to use everything on the screen, but the first thing that you have to do is name it. So I'm going to just call it training opt-in page test. And I apologize that my keyboard is really loud. And then when you're creating an opt-in page, you want it to be as simple as possible. So you want to remove some of those other things from your page, like footer, top bar, the menu, the breadcrumbs, the page padding. So you might not know what any of those mean, and that's perfectly okay. You just want to select those to hide them and remove them. You can also select a background. You can do an image, you can do a video, you can do HTML5 video. So you can use a lot of different backgrounds. So that starts there. And now I just need to save the draft. And all that does is it gives me a page to start working with. And then as you can see, it says Profit Builder right here. That's what I want to use to edit the page. So I'm going to click Profit Builder, and then it will allow me to edit the page right here, this red button. And that's just going to take another second to bring up a new page. And here we go. So it's just a blank and empty page. So like what we did before is I installed different templates. The way to use templates is by clicking the load page up at the top here. If you can see where my mouse is at right there, load page. And then it will allow you to load a template right here. So I'm going to click load template, and now you have a bunch of different templates. So we have I don't want to use a home page. Rapid List Builder, Alex Becker Special, super simple squeeze page. Let's just start off with the most basic one, super simple squeeze page. I'll click that and click load. And as you can see, we now have an opt-in page that was created very quickly. So like before with lead pages, if you've watched that video, if you haven't, that's okay. But I'm just going to go through and use the opt-in that that you guys might have actually opted into my list for, is how to create opt-in pages that converted over 73%. Quick and easy. So what you do is you hover over one of these boxes, whichever one you want to edit. You click this little button that looks like a pencil, and if you hover over it, also says edit. What that does is it brings up a screen on the right side. And then you can see this is where you type in things. So number one secret revealed, I just want to say 100% free download. 100% free download, don't need that other part of it. And then down below, you'll see more customization here, but you can center the text, you can change the size, you can change the font color. You can actually go into this editor. They'll give you even more flexibility in changing things, doing hyperlinks, underline, making italics. So that's how you do it. You just open that WP Profit Builder. But I want 100% free download, and then I'm going to edit. So, and then they just have a bunch of formatting here. So you can see this is bold, this is a different color, here's bold again. So if we want to use that, we'll just kind of work around. So we'll go into Open WP Editor. So my exact 73% opt-in rate squeeze pages. Squeeze pages cheat sheet for higher profit margins. That take, let me capitalize these. That take less than 5 minutes to create. Just delete that rest and I'll save that. And then you can just see it working here. So all that is it's updating it. And here in just a second, as long as everything's working, it should change. So my exact 73% opt-in rate squeeze pages, cheat sheet for higher profit margin. I need to put an S in there. You can also just edit right from here, margins that take less than 5 minutes to create. Is it a perfect opt-in page? Absolutely not. But all I really wanted to show you is how quickly you can get an opt-in page up and running. So from there, then we come down to the actual opt-in. So we'll click the edit button again there over the opt-in box. And then what it does, the form code, this is where it becomes a little bit trickier than lead pages. What you have to do is you have to go into your autoresponder like GetResponse or Aweber or Infusionsoft or One Shopping Cart or MailChimp, whatever you're using. There's tons of them out there. And what it will do is for each of your campaigns, it will give you a web form code. And if you don't know where to get that, you can either contact your autoresponders, technical support, and they'll let you know where it is. And all you do is copy and paste it right into here, into this form code. And what that does is that will connect it directly to your autoresponder right away. So it's very easy. But what I want to do is you can see, like I was talking about before, if you've watched some of the other trainings on how to create higher converting opt-in pages, is doing a two-step opt-in process where they have to click the button first before they see where they enter in their email. So here you can see there's no spot to enter in your email, it's just a button. So what you go down to is two-step on the right side here, and it's enabled. And then if you don't want that, click the button below to ... You can erase that. And the button text is just down here on the right. So if you can see where my mouse is, where it says button text, click to learn more. I'm just going to say download now. And we're all finished. We just created a high converting opt-in page. All we have to do is click save in the top left corner. It says save page. So that will save all the edits that we just did. And then I'm going to click preview page. And this will show you exactly what the page looks like. So how long did that take? Not very long. I mean, probably around 5 minutes, just like lead pages. The only thing we didn't do is we didn't connect it with that form code. I would have to jump over. I use GetResponse currently. So I'd have to jump over and grab that web form and put that in. That's I don't want to take the time to do that. I just wanted to show you just WP Profit Builder and how quick that is. So, and like I showed you a two-step, you click the button, and now it says enter your email and get access to the cheat sheet instantly. Enter your email address, download cheat sheet now. Enter in my email address, and now puts you right into to the email database, and you have a new subscriber and a new potential client. So you can have this up and running in less than 15 minutes. That's how easy and flexible WP Profit Builder is. So I didn't really show you how flexible it is when because all we did is we used a template like we did with lead pages. So now I just want to go in and let's go back to that edit page. And let's say I wanted to add in more information. Let's say I wanted to add in testimonials down below because I think testimonials will help increase my opt-in rate. So I click add new row, and then it gives you a bunch of options of how many columns do you want for the row. Let's say we're going to create 3 testimonials. So I'm going to do this one with 3/3. And now you can see these 3 buttons right here. So what I want to do is I'll click add shortcode. And now it brings up the shortcode box. This gives you a ton of options to put in things. So you can put in just text or HTML code, a button, an image, a separator, Facebook comments, different comments that you want. And then if you click up here, you can also do counters, percentage bars, charts. You can do videos, audios. You can do a photo slider. You can do, there's tons of other things down here. What I am going to put in though is I'm going to put in, it's under advanced testimonials. So now you can see down here, it puts it in just kind of blank text here, and then it has a little picture if you want to have a picture, and then the name. And if you go over to the right, you'll see it has all the fields to fill in. So name, John Doe, a photographer, Fashion Interactive, and then it has their quote right here. Here's for the image. If you don't want an image, just delete that line right there, and then it pulls the image out of it. So no more image there. And we now have a good looking testimonial right below the opt-in page. Let's say we want an image for this one. So I'll click the add shortcode, and I will put in an image. So that's under basic. So let's put in an image. And here you would just go to and upload an image here. So all it does, you can upload it from your computer or from a URL. You just put it right into that link there and an image shows up. So I'll quickly put just a random image in there. Let's say I want to put an image of myself in there. I don't know why you'd want it on your own opt-in page, but maybe I just like my face so much and I think my face is going to help increase conversions every single time. So I put in that. Completely joking, but I just wanted to show you how you can add things in. And then over here, let's say I want to put in social sharing. So I want them to be able to share it on Facebook, on Twitter, on Google. So you'll see over on the right, all you have to do is select which ones you want to put in. If you want to put in Pinterest, Instagram, Tumblr, or any of the others, it will then just put all those social sharing buttons right there as well. So now I'm just going to resave that page. And let's preview the page again, just to see how it looks different. So now we have those 3 extra parts. So this is where WP Profit Builder really shines, because you can move things around. You can create very quickly and easily a really high quality looking site with images, with testimonials, with social sharing, with sliders. The possibilities are pretty close to endless. There's so much flexibility in it. So I don't want to take up too much more of your time. I wanted to just show you that's how you get started with WP Profit Builder on creating really high-end, high-converting squeeze pages or opt-in pages. And if you want to get started and if you're ready to get started with WP Profit Builder, there is a link right below this video. Yes, it is an affiliate link, and like I've mentioned before, I'm always appreciative if you're going to purchase, if you purchase it through my affiliate link. And I really hope you enjoyed this training, found it valuable. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And definitely check us out on Facebook. It's all under my name, so it's Sean May Official on Facebook and Sean May Official on Twitter, and then also Convert 411 on YouTube channel. So if you check out Convert 411, there will be links to all those pages as well. So make sure you like us and friend us on all those sites as well. But we'll hope to see you soon.